Hey everyone, it's Emma here and I'm here to show you my next recipe, which is my frozen berry and chia yogurt oat cups. So as the name suggests, we've got lots of lovely fresh ingredients in there, some mixed berries, some chia seeds, which are a lovely source of omega-3, and my little boy for one loves this recipe. It's such a treat for him, but actually my husband loves them as well and he's always pinching them. So let me just show you how easy it is. First step, I want you to mix together your oats, chia seeds, milk, honey and cinnamon until you get quite a firm but still moist texture. Next, I want you to pack the mixture into about 12 cupcake cases until the mixture is about halfway up. Next up, blitz up your yoghurt and your mixed fruit until nice and smooth. Pour your yoghurt mixture over your oat mixture until evenly spread. Top with some decorative sliced fruit and then freeze. Next, take out the freezer to enjoy, and you can take them up to an hour before depending on how frozen you like them.